Alright, you guys, I made it into a new Dollar Tree. Okay, I haven't seen these cute little buckets. They're $1.50. We have a pumpkin, happy Halloween, mushroom. So they're $1.50 now. Okay. Comes in purple as well. You know what? I was looking for these for Christmas time and I didn't find any. But normally I put all like cookies and items in there. I'm gonna have to buy one. Really cute. I normally come here for like the trays. You know? For like Christmas and everything. Look, there's a bat one. A red one with spiders. That's a good chip bowl. These look like taco shells, right? Yeah, pumpkin, ghost, and fangs. These are really, really cute. More paper plate. Oh, that is cute.
Oh, I like that.
But I feel like the quality is going to be like
where you get the
yeah,
dye on your fingers and stuff.
Yeah, maybe this bat one does look like it. This one maybe not so much.
I remember they used to make Halloween napkins that had so much dye on them that they'd burn your lips if you wiped your mouth with them. That was like really bad.
These are thorns. Oh, it's like popcorn bucket. Really cute. Till death. Okay, a lot of cups. Hocus pocus, and I believe this one might be a cat. Oh no, toxic. The cups are back for a 4-piece. So if you're having a party, that would totally work. The cat one. Oh yeah, you know what? I wonder if some of this stuff is from the 99-cent store because I'm in the 99-cent. Used to be one.
Yeah. They bought it when they bought the building.
These say trick or treat, hello ghoulies. So I'm guessing these are $1.50. Okay, they're like red. I don't know why there's the color coded. There's like orange and red. Googly eyes. Oh, I need some of this. I don't know if I still have it in my garage. I need a large one though. See how it's draped like that? I'm talking about the stairs draped like that on the side. Normally you put it on top.
On the rail itself.
On the outside.
We'll put it on the outside. Yeah. How much is this here?
$1.50. But
we're gonna get these here when we do the stairs because this is good.
We got a little bat.
Who did we see that wanted $5 for?
I have no clue.
It's crazy though.
Pumpkin. Skulls. I'll be back. Trick or treat. Oh no. Can you see it on camera?
Let me see.
I don't even know if it was showing. There we go.
Let me take it down first.
Barely, maybe?
Just makes them older.
Turn it. Okay, there we go. Barely. We got feet.
There's this one.
Looks like Leonardo DiCaprio mixed in like AI at a farm.
Like barely, like,
yeah.
That's why I thought they would like turn into monsters.
Oh no.
Just kinda like,
Filled with the ghouls. We got the caution tape, stay spooky. Door cover. Hands. Here's a little bone one.
Boo.
Says boo. You can make it into a wreath.
Oh, it'd be a name right up the front on the front of the wreath, yeah. Or even this beware if you cut the bottom off.
And these two, you could take off the sign. Spooky vibes, Halloween.
I like the little ghosts.
Little ghosts, little ghosts.
I haven't heard that song forever.
That's what we used to sing in elementary school.
Little ghosts, little ghosts. Except I don't remember how it goes.
No.
That's a
I'm surprised I remember that.
folk song.
Because like yeah, we used to sing Halloween folk songs in elementary school. That was like the best year, like 5th grade. And they don't do that stuff anymore. We would go to another classroom and we would sing all this Halloween stuff, and we had like a big party. Like it was like potions, and like our teacher would make like these fancy drinks with like fog, you know, dry ice stuff.
You need
Like they don't do that anymore. Here's like these mini ones. They're 20. Are they indoor, outdoor? For indoor use only. Okay, and they also have purple. So I'm guessing $1.50. Okay.
If we need lights, we could always come back and get these purple ones too and do them on the stairs.
Strobe lights. These are strobe lights right here for your pumpkin. We have spiders. These are just little mini ones. Pumpkins.
It's lit in 3-foot sections. So.
And the bat one. Here we go. We got bats in here. And then a ghost.
And these make noise.
Is that all good? Happy
I guess so,
Halloween.
yeah. The ghost says something too. They kind of sound like the noises they're making at Beatles.
Kind of. The hanging ghoul. Okay, these are $5. The jumbo. These are gonna light up. It says $6 on the tag. They also have pumpkin. And go this way. I feel like you might have seen these before.
Yeah, they almost look like the Kingdom of the Crystal Skull skulls, like the weird alien skulls.
We have the heart.
Monkey skulls are kind of weird.
We have Beware. These are all $1.50. Oh, there's tons of cool signs,
Yeah.
actually.
None of these
Spooky
are good
Keep
like
Out. Enter at your own risk. This is like a chalkboard one. This could be fun in the kitchen. I love spooky season. It's cute. Enter Crystal Gazer. I feel like you could definitely do a lot of DIYs. I just like the vintage. Wish it was a Halloween countdown.
Well, that'd be neat. Yeah. Like on his belly or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The felt stickers. Charlie Brown ghost. Every time I see that, I think of Charlie Brown. A skeleton. It's just like fun little bag fillers. The light.
These are all red tags.
The vampire one's cute. Oh, I like the ghost and the vampire.
Did you notice that too? They all have red tags on
Yeah,
them.
I saw
don't know
them.
what that
They're,
means.
I think $1.50, or unless they're covering a price, because one was orange, so I was like, maybe red's for Halloween. I don't know. Look at the neon one; those are
Oh,
fun.
look.
Oh,
Look at that.
they were $1.20. They're $1.50 now. Yeah, so they were
So
$1.25.
$1.25,
Yeah.
so they're covering the price.
Candy. Not a fan of moon pies. Mike and Ike. These are just candy. Jolly Rancher gummies here. Cowtails. And then we get into fall. Dollar Tree is so funny. Look at the fall plates. Those are cute. These trees are cool. Cups. Autumn vibes. Turkey headband. And then we got some Christmas. Oh my gosh, we got like a little bit of everything here. Make a gingerbread, make a little bag. A lot of painting, a lot of crafts for children. Yeah, they just covered the price on it. Hey, do they have the little tree out yet? only seen the white one. It's $5. $1.50 is kind of a mess, so I can't help it if the store's a mess. I do get people get mad at me, and I'm like, I didn't do it. And we got this is perfect for a classroom. Look at this one. I am thankful for. That's perfect. Even if you're homeschooling. Oh, I miss when the kids were little. I would do stuff like that. How cute. Look at that. Isn't he adorable? Hello, Autumn. I'm not sure if this is $1.50. Doesn't say on it, but it could be. When I then hello fall. Autumn is calling. It's a cute one. A lot of leaves. Oh, excuse me. Oh my gosh, I had a little hiccup. And scarecrow. This is just a paper plate. That's what we did in school with the paper plate. We painted. Or I don't do they sell those white paper plates anymore? We would paint these and then decorate them ourselves.
Did you do the handprint turkey too?
Yeah.
Those are neat. And then you get the little Indian headbands and make
Yeah, we did that.
headbands
We
and
did
all
those.
that.
I don't even know if they do that anymore. That's when school used to be fun.
Yeah. The actual
Like a
inflatable.
cauldron. Is that $7 on the tag? $7 for that? Yeah, these are $7. They're like blow ups.
Yeah, those are neat. I remember seeing inflatables. I don't remember seeing balloons. Maybe they could have been these.
That 7's the magical one. Pretty sure it's gonna spin. And then more welcome. Okay.
Do a tablecloth.
Everything's kind of mixed around. These are 3. Give thanks. 7. There's a red tag. Red tag says $1.50, but who knows? It's 3. They're under $3. $7 for the decorative tray. And $7 for like critter friends. These pumpkins do light up, I believe. It says 7 on the tag. Look, we have the Bear Country coloring book. I have that book. Busy Bears. School time coloring fun. That's so funny. This show used to come on, was it Sprouts? I don't even know. Does Sprouts even exist anymore?
What's that? The Bernstein Bears? Or
Yeah.
that or 8? I can't remember.
And then they used to watch.
PBS, I think.
No, I don't think the Bernstein Bears were on PBS.
PBS?
I think it was like Nina and Star.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, she was brother was Sprout. And then Junior, I think that was Sprout.
Where were you guys? I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. That was it for like anything Halloween, anything Christmas. I might just head to a different location. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. Everything here is like Advil, muscle rub.